What's Gucci everyone, it's Asia here again, and today in this video, I want to show you guys how to recover your Git branches and Git commits even if you think you've hard resetted on them or have essentially deleted a branch. Even though you think you may have deleted these things, it's possible to get them back in Git because something I learned today, Git never deletes anything. I'll say it again. Git never really deletes anything. You may not be able to see it with what you know, but you can get it back. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch now. I'm going to make a directory called git ex, and then we're going to cd into git ex, and now we're going to initialize the repository with a git init. And what we're going to do is here I'm going to make a a.txt file, and I'm going to echo hello world to a.txt file with the braces. If you don't know Linux commands, that's okay. I'm about to get to Git. And now I'm going to add it to the indexing area, and then I'm going to commit it to my local repository with a commit message. Okay, so now I've done that, and if I do git lg git log, I can see that I have my first commit, which I did 4 seconds ago, and now I have my head, which is where I am inside my Git, inside of my Git commits, and what branch I'm on, and where this branch is, the master branch is at this commit. So let me now do touch b.txt, and I won't do anything with that actually. We'll echo b to b.txt. And so now I'll do the same thing. I'll do a commit, but instead, I didn't add b.txt, so let's add b.txt, and then I'll commit again. I'll do second commit, and so now I've done that second commit. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to realize, oh, we didn't want to do that, so now we're going to do a git reset hard. And so what that is going to do is it's going to bring us back to our first commit. And before I do this, well, let me do a git lg. And you can see I have 2 commits, and head and master have moved up. So now I'll do my git reset hard, and it'll say head is now at 922c7da. So now if I do a git lg, I'm sorry, I need to do dash head. There we go. So now I need to go, when I reset, I can reset back to my current commit, because once I commit, I'm moving on to my next commit. But if I want to go back further, I need to do head and then with a caret, and that will bring me back. Little blip right there. So now that I can see I only have my 1 commit, my second commit is apparently gone. But we're going to bring it back. And the command you need to know for this is you need to know git ref log. So it's short for references log. And what this does is it shows all of your commits here, and it shows all of your commits. It shows all of your commits that Git can make for you, and the commits that you may have gotten rid of. So in this case, I have my second commit right here, which no longer exists, and then I have my reset, my reset commit, which you don't see, but was a commit itself. And so you can also see I have 2 ways to identify this. I have the SHA right here, which is the numbers you can type in, or you can type it in with this kind of nice head at, and then there's a number syntax. So if I want head at 1, I simply now can do git reset -- hard, and I can do head at 1. And when I type this in and do git lg, you can now see I've got my commit back. So now I've reset that commit back. And now when I do git, I think that didn't do anything. When I do git ref log, well, now technically I have, since I did that, I need to do that again because I accidentally put in the wrong commit. So when I do git ref log, I want to git reset the second block back. Because basically what I did is the heads get scanned down, get pushed down. So when they do that, and I accidentally did that, I need to go back. And so instead now we're going to go back to the second mic and do git reset hard 3. And there we go. And now when I do git lg, I have my commit back again. Magically, isn't that awesome? And so you can look at the git ref log, which has now changed because a new commit has happened. Now, second commit has moved up again to head at 4. But as you can see, I easily got my commit back, and if I do a ls, I now have b.text, which I didn't show before, but it's, trust me, it was gone and now it's not there again. So now we're going to go through how to get your branches back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do to get checkout b, and what this is going to do is it's going to make a new branch and put me on that new branch. So I'm going to do get checkout b, I'm going to call it new branch. Okay, so now if I do a get lg, you see in the yellow right there, I've created a new branch. So now what I'll do is, let's touch c dot, or let's just echo hi to b.txt. And so now I'm going to commit that, and I'm just going to make the commit message b, and let's do get lg. And so now I have, as you can see here, now I have my head is at this third commit here, and new branch is at this third commit. Master is not, because I switched branches from master to my new branch. And so let me do something else here. Let me kind of, I'm gonna go, backward. I'm gonna go back and kind of do a get checkout. Before that, I'm gonna make some changes that I'm not gonna commit, and I'll just do echo a to a.txt, and then I'll do get checkout master. So I'll go back to the master branch, and now I'm going to delete the new branch, and I'll do a -d switch for delete, and it should give me an error saying I can't delete it because, oh, it's not fully merged. But now I'm going to give it the capital D switch like it tells me to delete it anyway, because I wasn't listening and I don't realize I'll need it later. But then I go, oh my god, I need that branch later. I really do need that branch later. And if I do get ref log, then I can see I can see I've got all these different things. I have a moving from new branch to master branch, and I may not know what commit to do because all these commits look very different right now. Now something else I can do is to be able to look through my git logs more comprehensively or with more detail. I can do this command, git log walk reflogs, and what this does is essentially it gives me more detail into all of my commits. It's still the same as we get reflog, it just gives more detail, such as the date, the author, the message, the reflog, obviously IDs, the commit IDs, and you can look at all these, scroll down if you want, and then press Q to get out of it. And so now I'll just go back to get reflog. And now what I want to do here is I want to recreate that branch. And so what I can do here is I can do get branch, and now I can call it new branch again because I deleted new branch. And what I can do here is I can give it again the SHA, or the identifier basically of what I want to do. And I want to get branch, I want to get back that head. And so now if I do a get LG again, I have my new branch back. So I was able to get my new branch back with the same commits. And so if I go to get checkout new branch, then I can simply see that I have what I added. I added that hi at the end of my b.text and that a. So I was able to get my changes back and my branch back, which is pretty gnarly, even though, yeah, I basically made a new branch, but I put all the commits back onto that branch, which was pretty awesome. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't think that was good, or you think I need some more clarification, please comment below, and have the best day of your lives.